Looking for the best oven repair in Roswell, Georgia? Call Around the House Appliance Repair at 770-444-9336 and join our thousands of satisfied customers today. Is your oven experiencing any of the following problems? Is it not generating enough heat to cook your food? Is food not cooking properly or evenly? Is your broiler broken? Does it no longer self-clean? Is food baking unevenly? Well, there's good news. We can fix it quickly and correctly. All you have to do is pick up the phone and call 770-444-9336 to reach the professionals at Around the House Appliance Repair. We service all major brands of gas and electric ovens.